Hey there, entrepreneurs. Want to learn how to make $950 a day online with AI? Today, I'm breaking down a strategy that'll have you leveraging trending news and viral videos, all with the help of InVideo AI. First things first, why trending topics? When you focus on what's already gaining traction, you're tapping into existing search demand. This means faster growth for your channel and higher engagement rates, just like how Brightside turned their viral video strategy into millions of subscribers and substantial daily earnings. So how does it work? It's super simple. Start by heading over to Google News. Pick a trending story in a category that interests you, whether it's business, technology, or sports. Copy the article URL. Next, paste that URL into InVideo AI. This powerful tool will generate a 2-minute video based on the article. You can customize the voiceover, music, and visuals to fit your brand. The best part? You don't need any technical skills or prior experience. For example, one user created a video about the importance of water to the human body. Another made a video on a power outage in Kentucky, even changing the voiceover to a southern accent. The possibilities are endless. Now, consistency is key. Upload videos regularly, multiple times daily if you're making shorts, or 1-2 times a week for longer content. Focus on current and relevant topics to keep your audience engaged. And let's talk about monetization. With consistent content and growing traction, you can place ads and start earning. The creator I'm talking about has reached $11,000 consistently over the years. So, what are you waiting for? Dive into InVideo AI, pick a trending topic, and start creating. With a little effort and creativity, you could be on your way to making $950 a day online. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button for more tips on maximizing your online income. Catch you in the next video.